One other day. Hey, I'm sorry about that. I just had to call him because you hurt me. What's wrong? Are you okay? Dude, what's wrong with you? This is my lightsaber. Don't be mean on the internet, okay, kids? No, it's not. Hello. Sorry about last time. This is what you get.
What?
Dodge.
Oh, crap.
Lightsaber. Dude, don't fight. Dodge. No, stop. Come on, please. Didn't hurt him. Dude, just come on. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. Let's take down that bird. Okay, you go behind her and attack her, and then I'll go in the front. Here, go. Go behind her. Okay. Attack. Later. Okay, that's enough. She's dead. It's dead. No, that's dead. Good job, Woody. High five. Oh, wait a second. I'm gonna put down my lightsaber. High five. Do.